Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. Today I'm going to do Ablo. Togolese, a food called Ablo. But to do that you need semolina, fine rice flour, excuse me, rice flour, corn flour, sugar and yeast. Let's begin. I have 2 cups of semolina fine here, and I have 3 cups of water here to mix it. Let me use 2.5 and see first. Let's use 3. First you do the porridge, so I'm starting with the porridge. You make sure you mix it well. You don't want any lumps inside, because when it goes into the hot water the lumps will show. I have 6 cups of water here, so all the water will add up to 9 cups with 2 cups of semolina to do the porridge. Depends the quantity you want. For me, this is enough for me. When you pour the mix of the semolina in cold one inside the hot water, you have to be stirring it until you start cooking, because if you leave it straight away you have lumps. That's what I'm doing at the moment. And you let it cook for 10-15 minutes, and I'll come back and tell you what to do next. My semolina porridge is cold now, so I'm adding 7 grams of yeast, dry yeast, sugar. Depends how sweet you want it to be. Let me see this. I'll do half of the 1/4. Let me do 1/4. Yeah, sugar and rice flour. 1 cup. But if you need, I will add more. Corn flour, just a bit, not too much, like 1/3 of this cup corn flour. 2 cups of semolina. And salt, and I'll mix all up. To mix it very well, so that you will not have lumps. cover it to rise. But today too is sunny, so I will leave it outside. So now this step is the molding. I bought this to mold, to do the ablo, but it's too tiny. In Africa they use the bigger one. This one is too small, so I normally use this method too. So I fold the paper like this. The size I want is this size, because I have to have it into 2 later. So I do it like this. This one, I cannot tell you how to measure. You have to eyeball it yourself, the size you want, and depend on the quantity too you are doing. So then I have it into 2. And I separate them. So I have glass cup. This size I'm going to use. I put it down like this. And do like this. So make sure you press this the base of the glass, so that you can have a strong shape. Yeah, you have this one. You see, it's bigger than this. This is the size I want. So I'll do it again. Just press on the base of the cup and use your hand to rub it, so that you can take the shape. And you take it and you cut it to have your desired measurement. I'll do it again one more time. It's easy for me because I'm used to it. And depend on the foil paper too. Some of them are too light. If you get a lighter one, it can just be tearing. It can tear every time you press it to have your size. And I'll show you one more time. That's it, you have your mold. Yeah. The Ablo butter has risen, so I'm going to start cooking it now. Every Ablo takes 11 minutes to cook, so I have my steamer here and the foil paper. Okay. My butter is too thick. Okay, add some water. Yeah, if your butter is thick, you can add some water to it to make it light the way you want. I normally eyeball it this time around, so let me use a measurement to see how it will work. You just put inside a foil paper, but not too full, because it doubles the size when it's cooking. Okay, it has been 11 minutes. Now let me take it off and put the second tier. Another 11 minutes is done. My Ablo is ready. You can eat it with any soup, fish, okra, palm nut soup, granite soup, anything you want to. In Togo they eat with beans too, beans and stew. But me, I don't like that one. I like it with soup. Let me open it and you see inside. Yeah, this is my Ablo. Let's see inside. It's light, fluffy. It's very, very light. Very light. This is Ablo. Very yummy. It's nice. So I'm hungry now. Everybody invited. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.